Howdy, it's TUBALCAIN again, this time wearing my new shirt given to me by my grandchildren, announcing my 10 millionth view on YouTube. The purpose of this video is just to provide for you, the viewers, a directory to help you find my machine shop tips on YouTube. There are 119 tips to this point, and it's November 1st, 2013. This video will be on only for a short period of time. It's a temporary video. Now look through these lists, pause the video so that you can study it as necessary, and to find any of these videos simply type into the search bar the words machine shop tips and then the pound sign and the number that you desire. For instance, machine shop tips 119, and be sure to include the word TUBALCAIN. Again, example, machine shop tips number 110 TUBALCAIN, and that'll take you directly to that video. So peruse through this directory several times until you find the videos you want. This is TUBALCAIN signing out, saying so long for now.